Oh, hi. This is LB from Four Corner Custom Products. Thank you for watching my content. Thank you for being great supporters. If you're new, welcome to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on that bell notification so you'll know when I drop new content. Like, share, and subscribe. Have a blessed day.
Our ancestors never did it alone. Never do it alone. How many of you sometimes, when things get tough, you find yourself withdrawing and you're by yourself, you're alone? Let me see your hand, be honest. When things get tough, you see that? You see that? That's how you get defeated. Watch this. Have y'all ever seen a lion just run and jump in the middle of some beasts? No. They're always sitting back, waiting for that one ox or waiting for that one gazelle. They're always waiting for it to do what? They always wait for it to get by itself or start going away from the pack, and then they attack. Do me a favor, never be alone. That's how you get mentally attacked. That's how fear jumps on you, worry jumps on you, never alone. You must always be with the pack, and when you're feeling weak, you tell the pack, and the pack is gonna lift you up.